Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can age restrict a channel on Discord. So to do that, I'm going to go to a channel and press edit channel. And then as you can see, there is an age restricted channel. So users will need to confirm they are of over legal age to view in the content in this channel. Age restricted channels are exempt from the explicit content filter. So you're just going to enable that, and then once you're done, you're just going to press save changes. So the next time somebody joins this channel, they'll need to confirm they are of legal age. As you can see, there is this like button over here, this like warning button. It's very small, but it's there. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!